I'm Ziggy.
And I'm Tiggy. Let's learn about something new.
1, 2, 3, let's hop and see. 4, 5, 6, as quick as can be. 7, 8, 9, we're jumping high. 10 is next, let's touch the sky. Wahoo! Counting so much fun. From 1 to 10, we're not yet done. Keep the rhythm, keep it sunny. Numbers are cool and super funny. 11, 12, 13, spin around. 14, 15, stomp the ground. 16, 17, clap